Family Hobbies and Cards, back at it again. Here with Bob. We're at an epic location, waterfalls in the background. Bob, what do we break it open today?
2 Steam Siege packs and 2 Ripple Flashes.
All right, cool. Bob, anyone we're looking for today in particular?
No, just some EXs and VMAXs.
All right, guys, hope you enjoy this. Found a quiet spot on the river. Bob, let's get started.
All right, take that. There's the code. I'm gonna. Okay. All right, we got our Armor Fossil, Nuzleaf, Pokemon Ranger, Dino, Larvesta, that's a pretty cool art. Apom, also a pretty good art. Drifloom, Mareep. We're pretty close to the end here. Oh, we got our Break Xerneas.
Oh,
wow, that is so awesome.
look at that.
Well, I was not expecting that. Oh, our rare Probopass. All right, Klaus, want to show them the code right there? All right. All right, got our Armor Fossil Braviary. All right, so that's different.
120 HP card.
All right.
Another Nuzleaf.
All right. Shellos. Clauncher. Meowth. We've pulled that one a couple times.
We have.
Hoppip. Same with that one. All right, got our Nose Pass. We're close. Clawitzer Reverse Hollow.
One card left, Bob. One card left.
All right, let's see what we get. Pyroar.
Nice.
That's nice. What we get? Want to show them that code? Very nice. Pretty cool. Got our Water Energy. A different Heatmore.
Ooh.
Keep getting a different one. All right, you got more Pico, more Peko. Scoop Up Net. Metatite. Grubbin. Electabuzz. Natu. Alright, we're getting to the end. Honedge. Reverse Hollow Applin.
Ooh, I like that.
And
oh, there's a big one.
See
this is a big one.
Alright,
this is big.
I'm ready.
This is big.
Let's see. Inteleon V.
Another Inteleon, isn't it,
We've
Bob?
got this before. That's nice. We got our last pack here. Rebel Clash. Another white code card.
These have been good for us, Bob.
These have been good. Show them that code. Alright. Let's do this. Got our Grass Energy here. Lampent. Metacham. Beware.
Oh, I like that Beware.
That's a nice one. Snover.
Snover.
I like the art on that one. Binacle. Pretty cool. Galarian Darumaka. Okay, Vulpix.
Vulpix. Here we go, Bob.
Right.
Here we go. Coming up with some big ones soon.
Milcery. That's a new one, I think.
Oh, yeah. I don't think we've had that one. Ooh, Reverse Hollow
Masquerain.
All right, last one.
Oh, it's a VMAX.
It's a VMAX.
It's a VMAX.
It's a VMAX.
Oh my gosh.
It's.
Rillaboom VMAX.
Oh, we pulled the VMAX.
Let's go.
All right, Bob. Show us your favorite pulls.
All right, we got our Inteleon V, Rillaboom VMAX, and our Xerneas Break.
Nice.